Hi, meet Attachment Flow, your smarter way to upload, attach, and search files across OneDrive and SharePoint. Let's see how simple it is to upload attachments and emails right into OneDrive. One click and Attachment Flow opens, your personal file hub inside Outlook. Your files organized and always within reach. Working in OneDrive now, but you can switch to SharePoint whenever you need. Navigate to the folder you need. Here we're heading into projects to upload our attachments. Just choose the right project and you're ready to upload. Here's where Attachment Flow really shines. You can see your entire email with all its attachments and choose which ones to upload. Want to tidy things up? Rename files before sending them so everything stays organized once it's in OneDrive or SharePoint. It's all about control and convenience. Upload only what you need, exactly how you want it. Attachment Flow seamlessly uploads your attachments to OneDrive or SharePoint, and once it's done, your files are right where they belong, organized and ready to share. Attachment Flow lets you go beyond files. You can save full emails too. Here, we're creating a new folder, keeping the entire conversation in one place. Each saved email becomes part of your project workspace, so every discussion, every document, and every decision stays connected. Whether you're managing client communication, tracking project updates, everything is stored securely in OneDrive or SharePoint. Attachment Flow, smarter file and email management right inside Outlook. Organize your work, save time, stay productive.